I'm not working on the bike this video. I'm actually working on the pickup truck. It's been a while. So, you know, truck is a 2001 model Ford Lightning. Mustangs use these same steering wheels and same cruise control modules. But what happens over time is the leather covers, or the pleather, or whatever it's made out of, they just kind of disintegrate, and you end up with something that looks like this or worse. So you see there's no longer anything covering these, and yeah, so that looks terrible, and you don't know what the buttons do. I mean, I know what they do because I've just figured it out, but look, chickens. There's chickens over there. So anyway, you can go on Amazon, much to every other video I've done, and we can order, get another package here, buttons. So you can see these look a lot better than that. So now we got to put these into there. So what we're going to do is we're going to come behind the steering wheel here. There's these little covers. We're going to pop them guys off. Put it right there. Go to this side. Get a spot in there. This is not really the right tool to use, but it's the tool I have. There we go. Then I'm going to take a ratchet with a 8mm, I hope. Yep, sure is. We're just going to loosen this guy up. Okay. Same thing on this side. Should probably unhook your battery. Yeah, I'm going to do that here in a second, maybe. Since we are dealing with an airbag, it's probably a good idea. We're going to go ahead and pull this out first. So there you go. Get that one. Go over here. Get this one. You can see my airbag horn module here is pushing its way out. There we go. Stick those over there. And this whole thing kind of comes off like so. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set that right. You know, it would help if I had the steering wheel straight here. That would be a little more beneficial there. Alright, so now, let's see here. Looks like we are going to need a Phillips head. So you see, like, this thing is all, that's even just the plastic is breaking off. So yeah, that's what we're going to replace. And you know, they're not too hard to get out of here. Let me go grab a Phillips head here. This is the joys of owning a 20-year-old truck such as this. But they're fun. They're easier to work on too. Let's see, Phillips head. Who's got the Phillips head? Is this a Phillips head? Look at that, got a Phillips head. All right, let's get back in here. So we're gonna take, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 screws out. So let me do that real quick and then I'll come right back. Alright, so there we go. One thing I did do is, even though these new buttons over here, my truck is a mess, I actually use it, came with a new harness. I'm not actually going to use that harness because it's all snaked in back here, and the buttons still worked. There was no issue, you know, actually using the buttons. It's just that they look terrible. So what we're going to do, we're going to set those over there. And now, all you gotta do is take the new buttons, try to do this with the right hand here, well, technically left hand, and just kind of set them up in place and screw them in. We're gonna plug the harnesses in, and that's it. These harnesses, they do have a little clip in them. If you take your screwdriver and see if I can get this up there. There we go. Let's do it this way. And get in behind it and just kind of give a little tiny pry to the back side there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. But it'll actually let them slide out of there without having any issues. So let me put these other ones in real quick and then we'll see if they work. Chickens are being loud. But there you go. So I got it all put back together. New buttons. Put the airbag back in and then just tighten it down. Doesn't have to be real tight. Put your little covers back on. And that's it. Next clip, I'm going to go ahead and take it for a test drive and just we'll make sure these things work. You're not going to be able to tell, but if let's see. Yeah, you can kind of see it. So they're lit up. Now they're not. So we at least know that there we go. So you can see the green tint there. So we at least know that they're getting power, that the backlight's working. And so we'll go from there and see what, see that they work. Yeah, that's it. Guys, like and subscribe to the video. I know these videos kind of suck, but I'm trying to get better at them. And I'm going to keep doing it just because, well, I'm trying to figure out some more info on video editing and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll pop a quick clip of me testing these out, and then I'll catch you in the next video.
One eternity later.
Alright, it's dark, it's cold, but the cruise control should work. Let's hit the on button. So we're doing about 50. Set. Look at that. I got a cruise light on the dash there. Let's see if the coast light works. Yep, that works. And how about the resume? Let's see if resume works. What a motorcycle. It is 30 degrees out, my guy. There we go. So all working. Off button works. Cheap old Amazon buttons. If you have decrepit ones, get these. See you next time.